As an instructor, you can create a calendar event for a classroom and mark attendance for all its learners. In the calendar sidebar, click the Mark Attendance button for the required calendar event to access its Mark Attendance page. You can also click an event to access its full view and then access its Mark Attendance page. You can also access an event from the full calendar view. The Mark Attendance page opens. Mark the attendance as required. Then click Save to save the attendance. You can also edit attendance for an event if it is in the marking period. You can access a classroom's attendance page to view the summary of learners' attendance along with each event's attendance details. You will not be able to mark the attendance for an event outside of its marking period. If required, you can also export the attendance report for a classroom in Excel format.